What is a synapse? Synapse is a functional junction between neurons or between neuron and a muscle cell or between a neuron and a gland. Okay? This is a part of a neuron, and this is from axon terminal, and this is called synaptic end bulb. Synaptic end bulb. You can see these beads here. These are the synaptic vesicles. These synaptic vesicles contain what? Neurotransmitter molecules. Do you have an example of neurotransmitter molecule? What?
Gamma aminobutyric acid.
Yeah, gamma aminobutyric acid. But what is a very common neurotransmitter that you learned in muscle physiology? Very well studied, the most studied neurotransmitter molecule. The neurotransmitter molecule that is responsible for generation of muscle action potential. Dopamine, of course, yeah. Acetylcholine, ACH. Acetylcholine. So here, these beads or synaptic vesicles contain neurotransmitter molecules. And you can see some of the synaptic vesicles have come to the periphery and undergoing a process of releasing the neurotransmitter, and that process is called exocytosis. Okay? This is so synaptic end bulb. If this is a neuron, and if this is a synapse, then this is a part of the presynaptic neuron, and this is a part of the postsynaptic neuron. Do you get that? Presynaptic, the synaptic end bulb making a synapse, does it physically touch the other neuron? No. There is a gap. And that gap is very narrow, but it's called the synaptic cleft, where the neurotransmitter molecules are released. Okay? I am going to show you neuromuscular junction, which is, of course, a synapse, a kind of synapse. And that will be between muscle cells and neurons or synaptic end bulbs. And always these nerve endings are motor nerve endings. And let's look at this. Beautiful. Look at these synaptic end bulbs. These are muscle cells, and these are parts of motor neuron, and each area is called neuromuscular junction here, where synaptic end bulb from the presynaptic neuron, from the motor neuron, making a synapse with a muscle cell. Let's go to a little higher magnification and look at it. The synaptic end bulbs. This is out of focus. Okay. Get in focus now. Can you see the node of Ranvier? Can you see? That pins? These axons are myelinated. Yeah? And this is a skeletal muscle, and this is a motor neuron. So this is a part of somatic nervous system. Now when you will study the nervous system, the peripheral nervous system is divided into autonomic nervous system, somatic nervous system, and enteric nervous system. So this is a part of somatic nervous system. You see, I can give you, identify as indicated, will be node of Ranvier. Identify as indicated, synaptic and bulb. Identify the area, the region, neuromuscular junction. Clear?
Does the synaptic end bulb ever make contact with another axon? Or just
This comes of axon. This is a part of axon terminal,
the end of the axon.
the end of the axon.
But does it ever touch another axon?
It will not touch, but it can, yeah, when there is a synapse called axonic synapse. I mean, I can give you the page number where you can see axonic synapse. Chapter 12. I'm just going to tell you and you can look at it. But we are not dealing with that. Even I have not included in my lecture. Okay. Go to page 425. Figure 12.22. Look at that axonic in the left hand side. Axonic synapse, axosomatic synapse, and exodendritic. There are 3 different types. I don't know if you have in your book or not. Go to, it should have, I don't think that your book has that. No, not that.
12.2.
No. This is, you have to go to, your book doesn't have. Your book doesn't have. This edition doesn't. That's why, you need some new edition. Do you have your book here?
No, it's on the computer.
It's on computer. Do you have? I mean, I will show you. That here, look here. To answer your question, I'm not going to ask you. Axonic. Can you see that? This is the axon. And this is from another neuron. Okay? This is axodendritic. On the dendritic, on the cell body, axosomatic. And I will show you on that model also. Okay? So, what you need if you want to just copy this thing. Okay? What edition is this? 11? And 12?
11.
11. And we are with the 14th one.
13th.
Yeah?
This cost.
And next semester will be 15th.
This was $7.
What?
This was $7.
It should be $0, Who charged you?
That's the first time I haven't gotten the same figure, same diagram. That's the only one that's been left out so far.
No, there are several others also. You'll see.
That's the only one so far, though.
Okay.
I don't know about the rest of the year.
Yeah, in the other chapters, there will be some modifications and yeah. But I'm not very fussy about edition. So, do you have any question on this? So whatever time I have, Travis, could you please do me a favor? Go to that